Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna go on a little cruise. You guys are probably wondering why my RX7's in the background on jack stands that you guys have never seen before. I actually broke something on the car, so we gotta fix it. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that V-band clamp has been through some stuff. It's been through some trauma. I'm not exactly sure how it broke. But it broke on the way back home a couple nights ago, and I was like, why is my exhaust really loud? And I looked underneath and I was like, ew. All right, guys, I just pulled it. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to look like that. I think it's supposed to be more on the straighter side and not all bent and crooked like that. Guys, look, new collar for Pickle. All right, guys, it's been repaired. Now Ethan's just hitting it on the edge, the very edge, to tighten it up.
Try not to stand on a two-step for like a minute straight this time, because you saw it in Integra.
Do you think that's what it caused it?
Yeah.
I don't think that's what caused it. POV. This is the R&D engineers behind Vibrant.
Make sure to hit it with a claw side.
Yeah, this is actually what they did in the actual lab itself. So we're just replicating these. We're just replicating their work. All right, guys, time to seal the deal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I slipped it on. Now I just got to tighten it. I actually don't know how tight this is, so I'm kind of just going by feeling. Okay, I don't want to strip it. Air out. One day I'll have bags. All right, what's going on, guys? We're back in the FD. I feel like I haven't been in here in a while. Not really, it's only been a couple days, but my exhaust back together. It's not obnoxiously loud. I mean, it's still obnoxiously loud, but at least it's not coming out of the mid pipe. So I'm gonna do a little POV vlog. I think I haven't done one of those in a while. I have my hat camera right there. Well, let's not do anything bad here. As I downshift. Yeah, well, we're back in the POV. I can see a little bit. I don't know if you guys see my face, but basically my GoPro looks like this. So I look kind of goofy, but you know, it is what it is. I capture these moments for you guys. So you guys see my POV. Hold on. Ignore my RPM gauge. I know everyone's gonna be like, his RPM gauge is way too high. Yeah, it's off. I mean, it doesn't work 90% of it works like 50% of the time, but most of the time it doesn't work. That was me hitting the rev limiter, so yeah, once again, my RPM gauge doesn't really work that well. Guys, I actually can't afford this gas. This is too much money. Wait, when they raise the gas prices, what the?
$6.20 again.
That's what I was saying.
That's crazy.
It's too much. I can see through this. I'm communicating through like a little
I'll put a gallon in.
A gallon? Facts. All right, what's going on, guys? We're back in the FD. I'm feeling pretty good right now, besides the fact that my turbo, I think the seals are going out. That's why it's burning oil. I just had to fill up another half quart because it was a little low. And then, yeah, my mid pipe keeps exploding because I think I don't know why. So you guys look at me. I'm hanging out. I'm just hanging out. It's an open road in front of me, you know? But sometimes you have to be the bigger person and just kind of chill out. Right now. getting thrown around in my car, including myself. Jesus. I don't know if it's cutting because of boost. Oh, that transmission's holding on for its dear life. I don't know if it's cutting because of the boost, or I don't think it's because of fuel. Sorry. It's getting flung around hard in the back. I'm just gonna go like lighter on the throttle here, because it seems like when I go like full throttle, bad things happen. It starts to cut, and I don't want it to cut like mid corner, because that'd be bad. Oh, it's getting a little wet here, guys, so I wanna kind of chill. Driving smoothly and like at a good, nice pace is like relaxing. So that way I can divert my focus towards talking to you guys. And you know, also it's a little wet, so that would be, also there's a lot of skid marks here, so that spooks me out, because that means people have definitely crashed here recently, and that's no bueno. I don't want you guys to ever crash or like send it off a cliff, you know. Just always try to drive at your own pace. Alright guys, so our visibility has gone down significantly. Do I have high beams in this car? I do. I probably shouldn't use a high beam though, because I don't want to blind someone. And I can see just fine, ish. Oh man. Oh, it's getting it's a little wet, so I'm gonna actually, I felt my, oh yeah, I feel the car not doing the grip thing, where like all four wheels like are planted. Oh, and I can't see, so yeah, I'm gonna kind of, oh, it's wet. It's like literally like physically actually raining. We're gonna kind of chill. Yep, it's raining and I can't see and it's dark, so. And my windshield, you guys probably can't even see me right now. Guys, this weather sucks. And now my shaft's all wet, man. After getting kicked out, we have gone to a different spot, although we have lost a friend. All right, we've lost our friend Andrew in the R35. We have no idea where he is. We're all waiting. Also, my car. All right, I didn't come out to record that. I literally came out just to update the situation. Okay. All right. Anyways, yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Also, it took me like a minute to start my car like 5 minutes ago, so I don't know how I'm gonna start it right now. I got it on the hill just in case I have to do a little bump start in order to get it going.
What are you trying to do, bro?
Oh shit, hold on. I think while we're waiting for Andrew, I got bored, so I wanted to test my limits. All right, so if I land there, I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh, you see that? I got it.
What was that? Oh. I did.
Look who found their way. Literally went the whole opposite way. And we were about to do a photo shoot, but now I think we're all lazy, tired, wet, and cold. All right, guys, I'm joining the cool photo shoot spot. So. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not even kidding, guys. Last time it took like 10 years. Oh, shit.
Hey, Ollie, how did it feel with that car, bro? I want to be in Griffith's car when he's driving crazy. It's so cool.
Hella opium aesthetic. Look at that opium ass boy. It's so cool. Damn, dude, I missed my R chassis, bro. Oh, it's come back soon. It's come back soon. We're gonna make a big comeback. We're making a huge comeback. What's going on, guys? We back in the FD. I hope this angle is good. I honestly don't know. I texted everyone in the group chat. I was like, yo, who's trying to run it down right now? Oh, interesting. Oh, oh, hell no. Out of me. Not really, actually. That was actually closer than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I can't be an R35 GTR, sorry. Oh my god. Honestly, yeah, I got gap, but I didn't use any lag like he did, so, you know, in a way, oh hell no. I know he cheated, bro. I didn't know we were allowed to use any lag. Ricer flyby real quick. Oh. Come here, little Skyline boy. Little RB25. That's actually a good motor. Like, unironically, RB25 can definitely make more power stock than a 13B can, so. Oh, dude, I'm telling you guys, I think mid-range, I for sure got Ethan. Like, I for sure got Ethan. But like, yo, once he kicks it over like 6,000, he's pretty much, he's pulling on me. Yeah, he's pulling on me. Yeah, wait, what is, oh, hell no. Hell no, dude, I'm not racing that. Yo, oh shit. Oh my God. Guys, I don't think I can beat that. Bro, there's no way. I'm losing that every time, and I'm okay with that. You guys know, like, usually I'm like, damn, that really sucks, but I'm not gonna let an R35 GTR get me down, because, you know, at the end of the day, he's got the big boy VR38, and I got a little 1.3 liter 13B REW, you know, pushing maybe mid 300 wheel. I think Andrew's pushing like 600 in that thing, so I don't feel so bad. When I get my R32 back, then I'm gonna run both of them. But until that day comes, I'm gonna stay in the back quietly and keep my mouth shut. Yo, what's going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. As you guys saw, got a lot of cool POV driving in this video. And honestly, I'm using a GoPro Hero 8 right now, but I think I'm gonna go pick up an 11 this weekend, just because the GoPro Hero 8's old. I'm gonna be honest, it's like a good like 5 or 6 years old. It works, but in low light situations, I think it'd just be better to upgrade to the newer one, just because it would have better footage. So, and yeah, hopefully continue to film more POV footage, because honestly, it's a lot easier for me because I don't have to hold the camera. It's kind of just sitting on my face. It does limit my visibility a little bit, but it pretty much frees up my hands. I can drive, I can talk to you guys, and I can, you know, kind of just do whatever, and you guys can see it from my point of view. So let me know if you guys like the POV videos, and I'll continue to do them if so. But yeah, one more thing, we still do have the Midnight Driver hoodie still available. I'll put the link in the description down below, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Really helps me out as a creator, gives us something to give back to you guys, and yeah, with that, appreciate all the support, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.